Humidity project for day 32. The purpose: find out how much invisible water vapor is in the air today. That's what we mean by humidity. The relevance: a lot of meteorologists talk about the humidity during their weather forecasts. Success: you'll be able to use a chart and 2 temperature measurements to determine the relative humidity of the air in the room. So the materials: we have a sink full of water, we have the thermometer here, we have some cotton fabric, and we have some string. Procedure: take the temperature of the air with a dry thermometer, recorded here. So here I have the dry thermometer, there's no moisture on it at all. And let's zoom in on that and you can read the temperature. Let's read the temperature in Fahrenheit, so that'll be on the right hand side. The temperature is more than 70 but less than 80. So you read the thermometer for that. Okay, next, step number 2. It says slip on a cotton cloth sleeve onto the bottom of the thermometer and clamp it in place. So I'm going to slide this on and put on a clamp. Step number 3. Get room temperature water and moisten the cloth. So I'm just going to take it to the sink. So now it's all wet. Number 4, swing the cup around at waist height like you're twirling a lasso, and we're going to do this for 1 minute. Okay, I think that was pretty close to a minute. It doesn't have to be exactly the 60 seconds. Number 6, quickly look at the thermometer and write your data now. Okay, so now look at this. The temperature is now different than before. It is now bigger than 50, but less than 60. Read the temperature as best you can now. Okay, now, step number 7, find the difference between the 2 temperatures. So you're just going to subtract the dry bulb minus the wet bulb. The wet bulb is always going to be the lower number. Find the difference there. Okay, now we're going to use this chart in order to figure out what the humidity is. Can you hold this right here? Okay, so the dry bulb temperature is right here. Choose the temperature that is closest. So if our dry bulb temperature was, let's make something up. If it was 87, that's closest to 85. I put that right there. Well, we know it wasn't that. I'll let you decide which one of these numbers was closest to our dry bulb temperature. And then up here, we look for the number that is the difference that we just figured out, the subtraction. Again, if you need to find the one that's just closest along the top, that's fine. Okay, and then you take the columns and the rows and you see where they meet, wherever it is, and that will be the relative humidity. If you find the number to be 50, that means that the air is 50% full of water vapor. It could double the amount and still hold it before clouds and mist form. In class, we went outside and we did the exact same thing, but we're not going to do that on the video. We're just going to do this one measurement, and we're going to call that good. Thank you.